Yeah, hey guys, welcome in tutorial. Okay, let's go. Today we'll make first moon. Okay, let's go to render engine. Check on ambient bloom screen motion. Click on Shift A, mesh, use sphere is for scaling. Make it big. Click shade smooth modifier, add modifier, subdivision surface, and type 3 for smoothing. Let's go to shading, new material. Remove that, type emission, up here emission to surface, and F3 and type image texture, up here enter and color into the color. Okay, let's open. You'll download Moon Texture. Here I downloaded already. I'll give you the link here. Let's go to trace, maybe some bright. Switch to render. It's not black, so I'll go to overlay here and make it dark. You can customize as you want, as you feel. Okay, I will add camera. Shift A and camera. Go to maybe move on here, render, and to set camera active to my sense. Control Alt Z. Up here. You can customize your location, angles, up and down. You can make your moon move here and switch to camera. Rotation. Yep, find something like that. If you go to render your image, you'll find it full moon. It's so reality. Hope you find that useful and easy trick. Don't miss to make subscribe or help me to grow more. And in comment, ask me about anything. Thanks for watching. Bye.